How to change your driving test date on the Testi app. In this video, I'll show you how you can still adjust or change between dates of the book date on a driving test date on Testi app. But first, if you open up the application, you will automatically be redirected here to input your driving license number, your application test or the reference number that you booked in, and to choose on Find Me a Test, and then you will automatically be redirected into your profile where you booked the specific exam. Now, on the application, you won't be able to just simply change it on an immediate option. What you want to do is to open up your preferred web browser on your device and simply type in Testi customer support. Now you can actually choose between these two options here. You can choose on the Testi app, which is going to be the second option. Scroll all the way to the bottom part of this field, and then below that you should be able to see Contact Us. Tap on that, and then from here simply choose to open with the Gmail so that it will automatically be reflected into your Google Mail on a certain domain where your email will be sent to. You just have to provide a request that you would like to change dates, and don't forget to provide reference number of the date that you booked already. And I believe that's pretty much it. That is how you change your driving test date on the Testi app.